Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to change your Gmail address, email address on the Gmail. So there is a new feature that is rolled out. So we'll see how to do that. First log into your Gmail account. So I'm already logged in here. Then you have to go to the profile icon, click on the manage your Google account, go to the personal info, click on the email. Then here you can see a couple of options. This is where we can change the Gmail address from this bar. And this one is your recovery email. Just in case you get logged out, you can use this as login. And this is for contact information where Google can send you the product information. And if you have entered another email address here, you can use that to sign into your account. This is called alternate email. So today we'll change the Gmail address. So for that, click on this one. Then here click on change Google account email. Then you have to find the username that is not taken. So this is already taken. So we're going to find the new one. So here, this is not taken. So we can click on change email. So this is the current one and this is a new one. Yes, change email. So here your email address is changed to this one and it says you can change your email once every 12 months, but you can switch to the alternate email, which is this one, the original one, at any time. If you want to switch back, then you can click over here as well. But for now, I'll just leave that. So here, if you go to the top, here you can see the new email address already reflected. So this is how you can change the Gmail address from the old one to the new one. So here, once you go back again on the personal info, now you can see the new email address over here. And this is a recovery one. And this is the ordered email. So wherever you have given this email address, they will still be able to send you the email using this one and you will receive in the this one. So it does not matter which email address they send to, you will still receive the email. And thank you for watching the video. And if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video. Thank you.